Portland State Aerospace Society. We're an interdisciplinary, student-led aerospace project here at Portland State University. We're a bunch of open-source space hipsters trying to build our own space program. Anyone can join our group. We have students from practically all disciplines at PSU, including engineering, physics, business, chemistry, math, and even art. We even have non-PSU folks who stop in and help out, including our industry advisors who help mentor and coach our students. Let us briefly tell you about the 3 strategic projects we're working on. PSAS has a long history of building sophisticated amateur rockets. We build our own rocket airframes that use commercial, off-the-shelf motors to reach tens of thousands of feet in altitude from a launch site in Central Oregon. We're now building our 4th generation amateur rocket. This rocket is a technology demonstrator for a novel modular airframe system that uses aluminum coupling rings and carbon fiber Nomex honeycomb composites. This new system is 5 times lighter than our previous aluminum airframe and will help demonstrate this technology for our future 100-kilometer capable rocket, one that will reach the very edge of space. In the past, we've used solid fuel motors to launch our rockets, but we're getting to the point where we need bigger motors than we can buy off the shelf, so we're making our own. And this new engine uses liquid propellants because that's what the cool kids do. Our new liquid oxygen and isopropyl alcohol motor is 3D printed out of aluminum and is regeneratively cooled by the fuel we're burning. Our most recent motor design puts out 6.28 kilonewtons, or about 1,500 pounds of thrust, and is being developed with our own liquid fuel engine test stand. We've built sophisticated avionics systems in the past with some great firsts, including the first to fly Linux on an amateur rocket and the first to fly Wi-Fi past Mach 1. We're now evolving our rocket avionics systems into nanosatellites. In 2017, PSAS wrote a proposal for ORSAT, Oregon's first satellite. We were accepted into the NASA CubeSat launch initiative, which gives us a free ride to space. We're in the middle of building ORSAT and are planning on a fall 2021 deployment from the International Space Station. ORSAT has 2 missions. First, we're working with the University of Oregon to develop a camera that can detect high-altitude cirrus clouds from space. Understanding the global distribution of cirrus clouds, which trap heat in our atmosphere, will help make climate modeling more accurate. Second, we're doing a huge educational STEM outreach mission to the entire state of Oregon. We're going to beam live video from space down to high school students who will be building their own handheld ground stations. Like a 400-kilometer selfie stick, they'll get their own satellite beaming them a live video of their location in Oregon from space. The Portland State Aerospace Society meets almost every Tuesday evening at 7 p.m., even during the summers, in the engineering building at PSU. Drop in whenever you have a second and check out what we're doing. Even better, come to one of our orientation meetings. We have an orientation meeting scheduled on the 2nd Tuesday of every term. People from each project will be present and can answer questions about what they are working on.